It had been quite some time since we went for a long trip, so finally, Ankush planned a trip to Goa. At first, I created a complete list of places that were rated more than 4 and bookmarked them in Google Maps. We left at around 6 in the morning. We had packed cakes and other snacks the day before. We didn't want to buy anything en route. I was really tense because of the current pandemic, as I thought the trip was too risky during these times. But we needed a break from the daily chores. We needed a break from the mundane life. Just for a few days, we wanted to forget the boredom, but we were mindful of the current situation and decided to be disciplined in the trip to be safe than sorry. The road was pretty good. I was dead worried about how we will manage the drive as we had never gone for such long drives. Ankush was pretty confident even though he too had never driven on such long routes, but it was a smooth ride. The road till Kolhapur was awesome. On the Kolhapur highway, we took a break and had some snacks. We sanitized our hands well. Even when we did not step outside the car, we wanted to be as careful as possible. After that, we went through the famous mountain pass, Amboli Ghat. It is one of the most beautiful ghats in India. This ghat is on the way from Kolhapur to Savantwadi. The road was pretty straightforward. We followed Google Maps. The road started getting a little bad when we were around 150 kilometers from Goa, but there were some patches where the grass on both sides of the road had turned brown and was a perfect site for pictures. We did not stop there as we wanted to reach our resort as soon as possible. And finally, we were there, Stonewood Riverfront Resort. I was afraid to stay in a beach view resort as I was pretty sure of losing sleep thinking of the sea. So Ankush found this resort right beside the backwaters. I loved the room, the view. The ceiling of the bathroom was pretty low, especially for Ankush. Another problem was with the menu. They had many items in the menu, but only few were available. They had a whole section of tandoori items, but later we got to know that they do not have the tandoor itself to prepare the dishes. That didn't affect us a lot as we were sure that we would mostly be eating outside. We even rented a scooty the same day and went for the nearest beach. We searched for a nearby beach and found that Vegator was the closest, but we reached a fishing area where we could see multiple fishing boats, and then we decided to go to Baga Beach. It was pretty late, so we just sat and watched the horizon. At around 7:30 it was completely dark and we could no longer stay in the beach, so decided to use the time and go to the market near Baga Beach. We purchased lots and lots of cashews.